I am out here getting one of my cats rabies shots and then Jazzy's dog Lily's shots. So we're out here in this long line. But it seems like it's moving and stuff. I barely have any gas, so I'm trying not to even cut the car off. Oh, there go Lily. She tore down this whole thing. Running around playing. She's such a happy baby. She's such a happy baby. Lily's such a happy baby. Lily's such a happy baby. And then we have Pepper. Don't mind my car, but we have Pepper in here. Say hi, Pepper. Can I... Say hi, Pumpkin. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. I'm getting my rabies shots today. Lily have all the water on the ground. You won't have no water to drink, Ma.
I just poured all that bottle and shit gone.
Well, she's going to have to take some of my water. And poor Pepper, you don't have to drink after him if you want some water. That's the container. But yeah, I filled out their form. Oh, nice. Their forms are ready for the rabies shots. I can only bring one cat because yeah, that's all the energy I got. And besides the fact I could feel myself starting to want to pee already. And so, and we got a ways to go. I know this is gotta go into the plants. This is burdock. Burdock is really good for you. I think burdock is a blood cleanser. I need to actually use it because the root is in the ground. There's so much burdock over here. But yeah, we're at Central High School doing this event to get rabies shots for the animals. So yeah, peace out, guys.